alaikum. Hope you all doing good with best of your health. Thanks for joining the session. I am Shakil Ahmed. Today's our topic is overview of presentation softwares to improve presentation skills. So let's take a start. So first we have to learn about what is presentation. A good presentation is an identity of your content's worth. Everybody know about this one. And a presentation is a means of communication which can be adopted to various speaking situations, such as you're talking with a group or addressing a meeting or briefing a team and presenting inside the classroom or something like that. That is called presentation. Being in digital era, effective presentation skills and presentation softwares are equally important for each other. In today's session, we have a plan to discuss different type of presentation software which can help you to improve your skills to present in a better way. So we make a list of some very important and very interesting softwares which can help you to improve your skills. And as you know, that effective presentation skills are important because they help to keep the presentation interesting, help the presenter communicate with confidence, and motivate the audience to listen. But on other hand, presentation software is used to enhance language learning. The use of presentation software encourages use of all 4 languages: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Presentation software makes the ability to communicate messages to a group of people much simpler than any other delivery methods. So it is, you can say, presentation software is a category of application software that is specifically designed to allow users to create a presentation of idea by stringing together text, images, audio, video. And the presentation tells a story of sports, speech, or presentation of information. Another important thing that is need to be discussed, that teachers today are facing students who are living in the world of digital natives and as digital immigrants. In order to be compatible with the students, teachers have to be able to create a teaching learning activity which is using the digital tools as a media. One of the most popular media used by teachers in the classroom is presentation softwares. However, because of its popularity, PowerPoint nowadays is viewed boring and commonplace. So as a result, students have to be introduced with new presentation softwares like Prezi, Emaze, Hakudeck, Visme, and this kind of different softwares available which can make your presentation more interesting and more interactive and more infographics. So we have to discuss with this list. We have almost 5 different softwares which can help you to understand that how you can improve your presentation by using all these softwares. Some of that softwares are common, might possible you already have a familiar interface with them, but might possible most of you do not know about other than about the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a very simple tool and it belongs to the Microsoft Office family, and you can say if you want to prepare a simple presentations, everyone can have the interaction with this tool. But most of other tools belongs to some other companies, but they are offering a lot of different options. But we have not interfaced with these type of software, so we don't know how to use them. So I will try to bring out your attentions that you can convert or you can transform yourself other than PowerPoint and how you can utilize them. This is basically series of training sessions. So today we will discuss about the softwares of presentation softwares which can help you to prepare a good presentation, and in next session we could have a chance to discuss about the presentation skills and techniques, how to prepare a good presentation by using these softwares. So let's take a start. A very common and very start PowerPoint. PowerPoint is very important in our life because if you're using the Windows or Apple, whatever the machine you have, the initial software you can install on your system, that is Microsoft Office. And Microsoft Office could have multiple applications inside. It's like a combination of the different applications, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and access the database. And if you can see the interface of PowerPoint, all the Microsoft Office family could have the similar interface. You can have tabs on top, and on the bottom you can have the ribbons, and these ribbons can be replaced as soon as you change the tabs. But all the tabs could have group up with different related, like for example on home you can have most of the options available which can use for the formatting, and insert you can have multiple options. So we are going by tutorial videos. I prepare some videos which can help you to make you familiar with the software which we are going to discuss. So first one is PowerPoint, and PowerPoint is basically created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin at a software company, and it was initially introduced in April 20, 1987. We have a tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you the layout of this interface and how we can insert or delete, or a basic formatting system. So just might possible you already have the interference with this one. For sure you could prepare the presentation with this one, but we will see how to prepare a presentation more interactively and more interestingly. So let's take a start. This is a simple interface of Microsoft PowerPoint. As I told you, we have tabs and ribbons in front of you, and we have simple presentations in front of us, like you can go ahead with the simple page. You can find out here the tabs and text boxes, and you can add the title, and you can go ahead with the subtitle and simple text. But how you can convert a simple text-based presentation to this type of presentation? So we will see that how we can bring out and insert the different pictures, and how you can take out different idea with this one. This is the simple page you have been inserted in Microsoft PowerPoint. On top you can see there is a title, you can add it, and in the bottom you can add different type of options. And if you want to see what kind of options they are, you just hover on the cursor and you can find out. You can add the tables, pictures, and if you are interested to go with the simple text, you can just type it and go ahead with this one. On the top you can add the title, on right or left side, and all these layouts can be replaced with each other as per your requirement, and you can delete them or you can insert them. If you want a new slide, you just need to click on the new slide and it would be added wherever the location you have clicked on the cursor. On the left side you can find out there is a thumbnail, you can find them out, or you can go ahead with a blank one or content based, or whatever the layout you want, you can add it. I'm gonna start with the simple one, and here you can select the layout for your simple and blank presentations. So section header I've been selected over here. I can add I can go with this one to edit this slide, and I would have some different options. I can tell you that this is how we can prepare this type of slides. You can copy, simply you can copy and you can paste. Control V or Control C if you want to prepare more copies, and select the place you want to put it. Just click on paste or Control V, and you can see that your presentation has been copied on a specific location on number 12, and you can prepare multiple copies as well as. So it's the thumbnail. You can move your slides up and down. You can delete your slides by just click and press on the delete button or escape button or backspace. It would be deleted, and you can replace them their place. You just drag and drop on the specific location in thumbnail area, and your slides would be moved bottom or upward. Even inside the slide you can delete the text boxes, and you can resize the text boxes as per your requirement. You can place them out on top or bottom, and you can place the text inside that one, and you can insert again. For example, if you need text boxes, you can very easily you can insert. You just need to move to insert tab, and on right side you can find our text box. You just click on the specified location, drag and drop, and here is your text box. So that's very easy. So in next option we will see how to insert color, or you can go ahead with the slide size as well. So all this belongs to, this was very simple and easy slide to slide, and by using the design tab you can make it more interesting. That was the introduction, brief introduction about Microsoft PowerPoint.